Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome to Cook and Share. I love cheese, I love bread, so I made this incredibly delicious, pull-apart, cheesy garlic bread. Just incredible, goes well with any kind of pasta, so let me walk you through this. Okay, to kick things off here, what I've got is about a stick of butter, which is about half a cup or 113 grams. And I'm going to add in a couple of cloves of crushed garlic. Now, this depends on how strong you want it. You can add 1 clove or 4 cloves. A handful of fresh parsley. You can use dried if you want to. It's entirely up to you. Some salt, and I'm just going to go ahead and mix this up. The smell is so good. Next up, what I've got here is some Belgian bread. You can use French bread, the bread of your choice. I'm going to slice the bread diagonally, and you just want to go about 3/4 of the way through, not all the way. Now across the other way, and you're going to get these super looking diamond shapes. After that, I'm going to transfer the bread into a pan, line some with aluminum foil, and just kind of open it up and spoon it with our butter mixture that smells absolutely incredible. And of course, you want to get this into every little nook and cranny. I'm going to take, I'd say half a cup of mozzarella. And you can use the cheese of your choice. I just like mozzarella. And we're just going to kind of poke this in. Oh, this is going to be so good. Like I say, you can use cheddar too if you like, whatever. So I'm just going to go ahead and cover this up in the aluminum foil and bake this into a 400 degree Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius oven for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, things are beautifully melted, and so I'm going to remove the foil and let it go for another 5 minutes or so, just until everything nicely browns. After about 5 minutes, guys, this is incredibly gorgeous, smells so good. And there you have it, guys, our cheesy pull-apart garlic bread. Incredibly delicious. So let's give this a taste test. This is absolutely delicious. I'm going to cook up some spaghetti. Have this on the side. It's going to be absolutely incredible. You got to make this. For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing, and see you next time.